All right, this one is very much in the category of quietly doing a lot behind the scenes. It's a contour underwire bra with lightly padded cups, so it gives a smooth, rounded shape under clothes, especially t-shirts or anything fitted. The fabric feels soft and the cups are molded, so everything looks pretty seamless on the outside. But the thing that really stands out with this design is the extra coverage on the sides. The panels come up a bit higher and wrap slightly around, which just helps everything sit a bit more smoothly under your arms. If you've got a little more pudge than average in that area, you will absolutely love this feature. The straps adjust from the front, a small feature that makes life easier. No awkward shoulder gymnastics required. And the overall structure feels supportive without being overly stiff. When you put it on, it's just secure. Not heavy, not overly padded, just structured enough to give you a clean look without adding bulk. Not fussy, not complicated. It's probably the most seamless bra I own, and it's super comfortable. That's why I have two. And Olga is my favorite brand, FYI. I just love the fit.